An anticipated brewery opening was on tap for a Cumberland County community.
Was past tense, right? Because now fire has destroyed the first bar in Newville, new bar in Newville since 1939, just days before it was supposed to open. Here's Seth Kaplan.
I just live around the corner and I thought my house was on fire. That's a horrible feeling.
Especially when you've lived here as long as Sharon Keebaugh.
25 years, give or take.
Not her house, but what did happen was plenty sad too.
Yeah, that's a brewery.
Whiskers Brewery was supposed to be called when it was supposed to open in about a week, but now this, a total loss. Jeff Bowder owns the building.
Got the employees ready to go.
They're Monday, in fact, getting the place ready.
There was like 20 minutes where they left to go somewhere to get something, and within that 20-minute period, I guess that's how quick something can happen.
The question now, what went so wrong in there during that brief time when they were away? Start with what didn't happen.
It was ruled accidental.
That according to the state fire marshal. As for what did happen, no one knows for sure, but Jeff Bowder says it started in an area where some devices were plugged in. So one possibility
was just something plugged in that might not have been good or overheated.
That's a real slap when you've been looking forward to something like that, and that man's been working hard, and now this.
No question, but it could have been worse.
Fire department's in the background right there, and they respond within a minute. If we would have been out in the country, I doubt the building would still be standing.
Thankfully, no one was hurt. And another way to look at the fact that folks in Newville clearly won't raise their glasses outside their homes for the first time in 82 years at Whiskers next week.
Maybe it'll be just a couple more months till they have alcohol.
Yes, they've already decided to rebuild.
That is a definite. They're not a family that gives up.
In Cumberland County, Seth Kaplan, ABC 27 News.